Healing the gut is hugely important. When we look at this, what does a bad gut look like? Now, here's the pelvis, here's the spine. This massive expanded black area is literally a leaky gut or increased intestinal permeability. Now, this comes from four things: medication, toxic food, but also compromised nerves. So, literally, you have to address all four of those. But the gut heals so fast. Within 30 to 60 days, here's the same patient. Now, this is what a normal looking gut looks like. Now, three stressors: physical, chemical, and emotional, all have to be addressed. If you're addressing all three of those, then you're going to get your body out of the stress state. And this is what happens under physical, chemical, emotional stress. The fight or flight nervous system, and this is the nervous system that everybody has, under those type of stressors, heart rate, blood pressure, blood sugar, cholesterol, decreased blood supply to the gut. So that's the initiator. We've got to get that body back to building healthy. Now, knowing that the gut has got an increased intestinal permeability, that means proteins that aren't tempered by digestion can leach into the system, the bloodstream. And that causes a huge immune system response or inflammatory response. So gluten-free, casein-free diets, that means dairy and gluten, free diets. This was a great study working on autistic kids. And autism, they've had horrible guts. Plus, we're looking at the gut-brain connection, so there's also contributing factors there. It's just gluten-free, casein-free diets just for the first 30 to 60 days while it heals. Now, this one here is a normal-looking gut in a child. Here is a damaged gut in a child. And remember, it's called the gut-brain connection. So it's super, super important that you pay attention to how the body is healing. This means healthy amounts of fermented food. That means looking at sleep patterns. Looking at the three stressors: physical, chemical, emotional stress, and the gut heals. I hope you like this, and I hope it was helpful.